So this is the way that you will start with your classes. Okay, very, very easy. So now first we will take few colorful papers. Okay, whatever colorful papers you have, you can take. All right. We will also require pencil, scale, then eraser, of course, scissors, glue. Yes, you have to click on the date because today is 30th. So you must have clicked on 31st. That's the reason you were not able to join in. So first, if you do have white color paper, take white color paper as our base, okay? So any white color paper. If not, you can take any other color paper. This is our base. So we will take white color paper first, okay? All of you take white color paper. Okay, Zoom was not downloaded. That's why. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, so first of all, hello everyone. I can see Ishti here. Hi, Ishti, Sharmi, Khushi, hello. Ruma, hi. Good to see you after so long. Parnika, then Radhika, then Harshini, Abhiram, Sanjana, Zara, Prisha. Hello, hello everyone. Hello, Sheetal. Everybody in the class. So take any white color paper first and we'll fold it into half. So that will make this base little thick. Okay, we need this base to be little thick. So if it is A4 size sheet, you can fold this paper vertically into half. Hi, Umaira. Hello, Kushi. Okay, so take this paper and fold it vertically into half because we need little thicker base. Okay, fold it properly. Press on the crease properly so that hole doesn't open. All right, so I'm going to keep this aside because this base, we will require it later on. Now, all of you can pick colors of your choice. Like if you want red, purple, pink, whatever papers you have, or if you just have like two papers, then we will alternate, okay? Okay, so I'm going to pick which colors I want. So I have this nice green, yellowish green color. Then I have this blue color. So you pick whichever colors you have. If you have just one color, that is also fine, not to worry. Okay, now just in case if you do have pattern papers. Now, many of you were asking me what is pattern paper. So I'll show you sample. Yes, Umaira is showing me one pattern paper. So this is something like pattern paper where you have patterns on it. Right now, if you want to use pattern paper, yes, you are allowed to use this also. So I'll take one of this, okay? So I will take one of the pattern paper, which I've already used little. Okay, sorry. Can you all hear me properly? There was this parent who was not able to enter the class. So I was redirecting. Okay. So what kind of papers? Who's asking me, Radhika? What kind of papers? Any kind of papers. It is not hard and fast rule that you have to have this paper. Okay. If you do have, use it. If you don't have, just use colorful papers. Okay. Now, next step is to take this paper And we will measure little bit of this, okay? So maybe about 5 centimeters, okay? So all we need to measure is 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, mark point at 5 centimeters, and 5 centimeters. And mark a straight line, okay? So what we have done is we have marked 5 centimeters line, a point, and then we have created this width as 5 centimeters. So be it any paper, pattern paper, or any other paper. Okay, Parnika, in that case, I will guide you, but you require 5 centimeters, okay? So if you do have small papers, don't worry. Just maintain 5 centimeters width and cut it. Okay, next step is to cut it. And keep one strip ready. Any color paper that you have. Okay, small pattern paper. But in that case, if you do have very little kind of little small pattern paper, then don't use it. Okay, try not to use it. See, this is my first strip and this is my base. So let's keep it aside again. I'm going to wait for all of you so you can take your time. Okay, because my red pattern paper is not full, so I'll change the color now. Yes, so all you need to do is take one white paper, A4 size, okay, normal A4 size paper, and fold it vertically into half. This is our first step. Okay, fold it vertically into half and keep it aside. After that, you're going to cut 5 centimeters strips. So take different colors. Again, onto this blue paper, I'm going to mark same 5 centimeters width and cut this lengthwise. What we did into our first step, we are going to repeat this step over here and cut this also 5 centimeters, okay? So this kind of lantern is going to turn into kind of frill looking, like frill patterned lantern, okay? Which will look very beautiful. My second strip of 5 centimeters. Okay, so take your paper, A4 size paper. This is going to be base of our lantern. Fold it into half vertically. After that, lengthwise, any pattern paper or any plain paper, colorful paper, cut 5 centimeters lengthwise strips. 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Now, if you need one more, you can cut one more. Yes, small part length over here is 5 centimeters. See, again, I'm going to cut this pattern paper of about 5. So measure 5 and then cut it. Okay, now children, you can take 5 colors or we have to cut 5 stripes like this. Okay, so we have done with only 3. So we will require 5 of them. So you can pick or alternate colors. If you have yellow, red, you can alternate. If you have different colors, you can use different colors. Yes, I'm waiting. So we will cut, I will cut all 5 stripes and then wait for all of you. Don't worry. Okay, again, width of this stripe is 5. 3 stripes down. I'm going to move this paper aside. And we need 2 more. Yes, Omaira, nice, good. Okay, now if you don't want to waste too many papers, you can repeat colors also. So I'm going to repeat this color, let's not waste. So one more stripe can go into same green color that I have here. Okay, now those who were asking me that my paper is small. For example, if your paper is only this much small, what you can do is you can cut this much and then attach one more, and make lengthwise at least 29 centimeters. Okay, those who are having small papers, you were asking me what to. If it is on this much, cut that much, then attach one more and make it long, lengthwise long. That can be done, right? Or if not, you can use whatever full length papers you have. Usually you get all A4 size sheets. Going to move this also and cut this also. Okay, there will be lot of cutting work, so be ready for lot of cutting work now. How many of you like cutting? How many of you like craft? Raise your hands. Viha, okay. Okay, I'm done with 4. One more to go. Again, I'm going to maybe repeat this. Okay, Sheetal. Sheetal is already cut so many stripes, 5 stripes down, right? Okay, I'll cut my last one, then step. Okay, if you have any thread or if you do have any piece of wool, that last stripe. Okay, make sure you cut in a straight line. We don't want crooked wavy lines, right? Okay, remember, always remember to log in into website first. Otherwise, you will not be able to access course. So whatever email ID and password you have created, always before class, all of you log in and then you will be able to see the course. Okay. So 5 stripes for me. I'm going to wait for all of you just for 2 more minutes and then show you next step. How many of you have cut stripes already? How many of you have done cutting? Only Sheetal. I can see Sheetal is cut. Anyone else? Chetana, Ruma, Khushi, Prisha. Okay, Aradhana is cut 5 stripes. Okay, perfect. Even Omaira, I can see Omaira is cut 5. How about you, Tarun? Did you cut? How many of you are attending this class for the very first time? Please raise your hands. How many of you are totally new? Sheetal, you are completely new in the class. Okay, great. So how are you finding? Are you able to follow me? Give me thumbs up if you can follow me. Okay. Shadmi is already done. Anyone else who's completed till here? Okay, now all we need to do is hold your stripe, any stripe. Okay, then mark 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter. Here also 1 centimeter. Point at 1 centimeter lengthwise. Okay. Point at 1 centimeter and mark one straight line into this stripe. There is a lot of cutting work. So this is how you mark 1 centimeter line. Yes, you can name yourself Viha Khushi, no problem. Okay, and then hold your paper horizontal and again mark point at 1111 centimeter. Just mark points. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 till the end of the stripe. Keep on marking 1 centimeter point. Okay, you will get around 29 to 30 points and then mark straight lines again. Okay, all we need to do is cut below 1 centimeter. Okay, all you need to do is mark something like this. Yes, correct. So you have to mark straight lines. You have to leave 1 centimeter and then mark lines. Can you all hear me properly, students? Am I audible to all of you? No? Okay, 1 minute. Can you all hear me now? You can't hear me at all, students? Yes? Okay, great. So now cut. Ethan, starting from the top or starting again all over starting is not possible, Ethan. So in between, if I get chance, I'll explain you again. All you need to do is cut colorful paper stripes. Width is 5 centimeters, okay? Width of these colorful papers is 5 centimeters. So cut 5 such stripes. Okay, we need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Width is 5 centimeters and these are A4 size sheets. So you have to take full length. And when you will cut the stripe now, students, all you need to do is stop at this horizontal line and cut along on 1 centimeter. Okay, like this. Now to do our work little faster, you can take two stripes and cut 2 stripes at the same time, not more than 2, okay, so that you will finish your work little faster. Correct? Try and hold 2 stripes and cut so that you don't have to do the same thing again. This is one trick where we can finish our work little fast. But if your second stripe is moving, then stop. You will have to do this process again. Yes, we have to cut all stripes, all 5 stripes this way, students. Okay, we have marked 1 centimeter so that you will get equal looking stripes, correct? All stripes look exactly equal. I'm cutting my pattern paper along with my blue paper at 1 centimeter, and don't cut till the end. We have left 1 centimeter gap just for that reason. Okay, this way. And the last one. So when I open, two stripes perfectly cut. Pattern paper as well as this one. So I have taken this little late. I have to cut this much manually. Sanjana, recording will be available on the site itself. After the class, you will be able to see recording, option of seeing recording. Okay, now let's cut two more in the same way. Mark 1 centimeter or little gap, and then cut stripe at 1 centimeter again. Okay, Ethan, you first cut 5 stripes of any colorful paper, pattern paper. Width of all papers is 5. Lengthwise, you can take full. Okay, then mark 1 centimeter and again mark 1 point. Okay, we would have cut this manually, but then your stripes, some stripes thin, some thick, it would have not looked nice. That's the reason we are doing this very, very particularly, measuring, marking lines, and then we are going to cut. Okay, otherwise we would have made it very simple and I would have just asked you to cut however you want, straight stripes. But this dimension, if this dimension is not looking nice, your lantern will look little tacky. So whenever you are doing any craft work, measuring, folding should be perfect so that your final product looks very, very neat. Okay, again cutting straight, marking straight lines, and then again I will try and cut 2 stripes in one go. If it is too difficult for you, you can cut just one stripe, okay? How's it going with everyone? Is it going good? Are you all able to follow? See, Ethan, this is the pattern. Can you see this is the pattern and you have to cut on this. So again, I'll try and take 2 or maybe 3 stripes together now. Shall I take 3? Okay. Even if you're taking 3, hold your paper firmly and then cut. Slow work. Everybody work slowly, work carefully. I'm going to wait for all of you, don't worry. After I cut stripes, I will wait. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, hold your paper firmly. If your papers are moving, then your cutting will also move. So tomorrow we are going to make beautiful greeting card. So are all stripes looking same for all of you? Is it looking neat and beautiful? Thumbs up if it is looking good. Viha, are you cutting one stripe or you're cutting all 2 to 3 stripes together? One. Okay, great. So don't worry, I'm going to wait. So you can make many more lanterns like this and decorate your balcony, your entrance door, or windows. Okay, so I've cut all three together. So all 5 stripes I've already cut. Okay, I'm going to wait, so don't worry. So then, till then, those who have done with cutting, you can select color combination. How are you going to arrange this? Like different colors. Then you can keep pink, this, and this is what I'm thinking I'll keep my order as. Okay, so no two colors together. This is what my arrangement will look like later. I'm not starting with anything. First cut all your stripes. Till then I'll wait for all of you. So tomorrow there won't be much cutting work, but tomorrow it will be more of drawing and sticking work. So if for tomorrow's class, if you do have any decoration material, keep it ready. Okay, I'm not doing anything. I'm just checking. It's looking nice this way. Also be ready for with your glue for next step. Slow work. Ishti, I'm not talking, then you're not able to hear me. Yes, I'm going to slow down, don't worry. Cut your stripes. Yes, Prisha, did you complete with your stripe cutting work? Ruma, you've completed, right? Okay, great. Omaira is completed. Anyone else who's completed? Sharmi? Harini? Abhiram? Yes, perfect. So pretty. Very, very nice. Zara, did you complete? Also Parth? Okay, Harini, you've completed. Very nice. Super. I like that silver paper that you have. It's looking so pretty. Yes, Aradhana, very nice. Can you all hear me properly, students? Am I audible to all of you? Yes, properly. Okay, Ishti, maybe your device voice is low. You can higher that voice pattern maybe because everybody else can hear. Khushi, you can't hear me or what? Can you hear me, Khushi? Okay, just a minute. Okay, now can you all hear me properly? Okay, perfect. So complete all your work, and then we will move to the next step. Ruma, is my voice clear? Can you hear perfectly? Okay, for some children it's low, so please check your device. Okay, all we need is pencil now, and I'll show you next step. All you need to do is take your stripe slowly. You're going to keep it down, and on your pencil, you're going to fold this. Okay, so all we need is all stripes turned up, something like this. Or you can simply use your hand also, but I think pencil will work better. So all you need is slowly turn all these fringes up. Just roll these stripes around your pencil and turn it up this way. Okay, it will be little difficult, but all stripes we need to turn it up. So take maybe four stripes at a time. Keep your pencil, roll it around, and turn all your stripes up now. This is our next task, is to roll everything up. And we have to do this to all our stripes now. Okay, first stripe with all the stripes turning up. Be careful, okay? When you're doing this, be careful. There are chances that you may tear the stripes, so be patient and roll it up. Yes, very nice, Harini. So do this to all your stripes now. Okay, stripe number 1 turned up, stripe number 2, let's turn. Roll it up. You can also try and use your hand for turning all these up. If you do have this what call this quilling instrument, that is also one good option where you can turn all your stripes up. Do you have that quilling instrument with you? Those who do a lot of quilling, that instrument is also very good for this, to turn all your stripes up. Yes, you can still turn it up, Harini, no problem. Because when we are going to stick these, if it is straight, we are not going to see any texture, we will not see anything, right? If we will stick this all these stripes straight, so we need all stripes to sort of turn up. Okay, second stripe done. So it will look nice, right? Stripe number 3. white and one side colorful. So doesn't matter. Yes, now you will be able to see me. Okay, till then all of you turn all your stripes up. It will take little time, but keep that patience high up. Okay, my stripe number 3 is also up. Stripe number 4. Is it taking time for all of you also to turn stripes up? Wow, Umaira, that was so fast. Superb. Just roll it around your pencil. Roll, roll, roll. Absolutely slow work. If you have any decoration material, keep it ready. Now, those who do not have thread or any wool piece, don't worry. You can also use your paper as your hanging. Okay, stripe number 4 and last one for me. After this, all we will do is sticking work and nothing. So before that, keep all stripes ready. You can take little bit help from your mom. Ishti, now am I audible to you? Can you hear me now? Okay, so after this course, 2 days workshop, there will be certificate available. So I will also share where to find your certificate. And now next time, whenever you enroll for any course, please enroll with student's name and not parent's name. All right. Now all we need to do is take stripe number 1, whichever you decide, and add glue, and we will stick it. Okay, here I'm adding Fevicol. Okay, we will start from the bottom, not from top. We'll start from bottom. So stick your stripe number 1 at the bottom. Then take your second stripe, add glue at the back side to this 1 centimeter gap that we have left, right? This 1 centimeter gap, and stick your second frill. Okay, now you will be able to see why we turned all the stripes up, to see this beautiful texture. Otherwise, we would have not been able to see this texture, right? This kind of frill effect. Then number 3 stripe. For me, it's pattern paper one. Start sticking from the bottom, okay, not from top, from the bottom. Okay, this way. Work slowly. If you're still cutting stripes or turning stripes, don't worry. Do that particular step and then move to the next step. Okay, and then the last one. Okay, also we have folded our base paper so that our base becomes little thick. If it's too thin, it will not be able to hold all these stripes, correct? Last one here. Now, if you do have some stickers or anything, you can stick it here on top. Now make sure all stripes here, see all stripes here are in the same line. Can you see my pink stripe is extra? So I'm going to cut this much part because it's not in the same line. So I'll cut this one, which will give me all stripes finishing in one line. Now it's fine. So this much was extra for me. Yes, correct. Redmi, you can change your name, Redmi. You all you need to do is you have to stick all these stripes onto the base paper. That's right. And start sticking from the bottom. Okay, start sticking from the bottom, not from top. Bottom, first stripe, second, third, fourth, fifth. If you're using Fevicol, use little bit of it. Don't add too much glue. See, this one, the top one is the folded side, and this one is opening side. It doesn't matter. If you want, you can stick this also. This white paper to this white paper. You can stick this also. But I'm not sticking it for the purpose to show you the next step. Okay, I'll show you one more step and then we will stick it. We can also create little fringes at the bottom. So whatever leftover paper you have, okay, whatever leftover paper you have, we can stick this over here and create fringes down also, right? So what you can do, this is optional. Those who want to do it can do it. Cut this again, leaving little gap so that we can have bottom fringes also to our lantern. It will look very beautiful. We also have, so now over here I'm not measuring and cutting it into lengthwise, leaving little gap for sticking what we did for our first 5 stripes, right? What we did for our first 5 stripes, exactly that. But this leftover paper for me is little big, correct? This leftover paper for me is little big. So I'll cut it this way and then I'll stick it into the open part. Now, even if that part is gone up for you, for example, you can still stick that from back side. I'll show you how. So right now, those who want this is optional. If you want, you can do this step or just the lantern is fine. Those who want to decorate it more can go for this step. Again, little cutting. Make sure when you're cutting without measuring, you have full concentration and all the fringes that you're cutting look similar. Okay. So now you can stick, open this and stick. Now, even if this part is up for you, don't worry. You can stick it from the back side like this. Not to worry. Okay, so I'll add glue here so that this stripe is going to sandwich in between. will sandwich like this. Again add glue and stick rest of the paper. And this way, so that it will sandwich properly, like so. So these are bottom fringes and this is top part. Okay, adding last stripe is optional. If you want to add, you can add. If you don't want to add, don't add. Okay, now if you do have this kind of any decoration material or any sticks, stickies or stickers or anything like that, you can decorate it by sticking it only on top. So this step I'll do it later after I add string to it. Okay. So now all we need to do is take this and turn this now into circle, and how beautiful it will look. See, this is how your lantern is going to look like. Okay, we are going to stick it now. So this end and this end, you're going to stick it together. Okay, like this. Turn this completely round and stick it. Okay, so add glue, little bit glue here. So how is it looking? Do you all like it? Is it looking nice? Okay, when you will stick this together, you will have to hold this for some time till it gets properly stuck. Okay, I'm going to hold this for some time. I think everybody is very, very busy cutting stripes, putting it together. Okay, see, this is how your lantern will look like. Stick it properly, okay? Yes, wait, now we have to stick little decorations here and there. We have to add string to it, or wool or thread, whatever you have, or any decorative thread. Or if you have old Rakhi at home from Raksha Bandhan, you can take that string. It is usually very, very decorative kind of string. You can keep all these things, little things with you. Okay, so over here I have this kind of thread. So what we will do is we will add this thread now. So one side you can make one point, and exactly to the opposite side, keep your pencil like this and exactly to the opposite side to make one more point. Okay, little down. And with the help of your pencil itself, try and make a hole. Okay, with your pencil itself, not too much on top, not too much on top, little in the center. Make one hole and see if this hole, second hole, is exactly opposite. And here also make one more hole.
With the help of sharp pencil, you can make it. Slower. Here you have to be careful when you're actually making this hole. Okay, slow. And then you can attach wool, thread, string, or you can simply stick one paper stripe if you like to stick it paper, like cut one long paper stripe and stick it. Sharmi, it's looking so pretty. Very, very colorful looking lantern. Very, very beautiful. Okay, now how much ever length you want. If you want this to be long, you can cut this long. If you want this to be short, just for your window, you can cut it short. Redmi, it's not over yet. I'm showing you steps, so it's not over yet. Please wait. Okay, to the other side also, you can tie this. And then last step is to add decorations. Because we had to make holes, so we waited for last step to add any decoration. If you have pearl stickies, anything to do with kundan or anything, if you want to add anything extra, yes, you can go ahead and add anything extra decoration if you have. No, I have not folded this. I've just added this in between. So this was, one side was open, right? So I've just taken that side and I've stick this. Okay, this part. Now over here, I will add this golden star stickies that I have. So just go around this top part of the kandil or lantern and add it. Now all these steps are optional. If you do have it, stick it. If you don't have, you can cut little colorful papers and stick. Okay, anything is okay. Okay, this is how I'm adding little decoration over here. So tomorrow there won't be much cutting work. Tomorrow it's going to be more drawing and a little bit of cutting pasting work for our Diwali greeting card tomorrow. So tomorrow also procedure of class is same. First you need to log into website, then you will be able to see the start button, right? Just like today. And this recording will be available after the class so that you will be able to access recording. Those who were absent will get to see recording. So this is how this beautiful lantern is ready. How is it going with everyone? Khushi, are you still cutting? Okay, fine. So cut it properly. And did you understood all steps? How you're going to place it from bottom to top, all stripes together? Yes? Perfect. Zara, Ethan, how's it going with you? Sharmi, it's looking so beautiful. Very, very pretty looking lantern. Yes, bye bye. Zara, very nice, beautiful lantern. So please share your artwork. You can also share your artwork into personal window on WhatsApp. Most of you know my WhatsApp number. Those who don't know, I'll write it down here for you so that you can share your work with me. Note down my number here. Okay, it's in the chat box. So those who want to share your artwork with me can share your artwork photo. Sheetal, it's looking very pretty. Very, very nice. Beautiful. So did you enjoy today's class, Sheetal? Was it fun? Great. Yes, I'm going to repeat that step. Prisha, very, very pretty looking lantern. Very, very nice. Chetana, very nice. Beautiful. Such pretty, beautiful combinations all of you have taken, right? Superb. Ethan, lovely. Very, very good. Ruma, very, very beautiful looking lantern. So pretty. Amazing work. See, over here, all you need to do is mark one point and prick with pencil and then hold it like this. And see if your next hole is exactly opposite side. And then prick it with pencil and then add the thread. Khushi, very, very nice. Beautiful work by you. Cutting work is looking very nice, Khushi. Tarun, very nice. Lovely work. Very beautiful combination. Yellow and little bit of pink. Superb. So nice. Aradhana, show me your lantern. Sharmi, it's looking awesome. Aradhana, beautiful work. So pretty. Very, very beautiful. Parnika, how's it going with you? And also Parth. Is it going good, all of you? Those who are still doing cutting work, do your cutting work perfectly. And then all of you go to the next step. There's no need to rush. Parth, show me your work. Wow, lovely. Nice combination, Parth. So pretty. Prisha, very nice, Prisha. Yellow and blue is your combination. Very pretty looking. Very, very beautiful looking. Parnika, very good job. Lovely looking lantern. Super. Yes, and all those long fringes, Tarun, are looking very nice. At the bottom, you have added long fringes. Very pretty looking fringes. Aradhana, very nice. So don't forget to share your work with me. Harini, very nice. Hold it up. Wow, those silver papers are looking so pretty. Very, very beautiful. It's giving that festive look to your lantern. All those glittery papers are looking very beautiful. Anyone else who would like to show me your work? Even if it's in process, you can show me your color combination. I can see Viha cutting red paper. Ishti, what color paper are you taking? Show me colors. What colors are you taking? Wow, nice combination. Pink, yellow, and green. Superb. All of you doing wonderful. Superb. Abhiram, do you want to show me your work? Yes, Sheetal, it's a beautiful lantern. Very, very pretty. Ruma, how was it? Did you find it difficult or was it easy for you? Easy or difficult? Yes, I'll be sharing both recordings. Both recordings will be available. And those who want to see recordings, again, log in into website. And then you will be able to see a recording of this particular class on website itself. Ethan, very nice. Lovely work. Very, very beautiful work, Ethan. So, was this lantern completely new to all of you? Did you make this kind of lantern before, or this is the first time that you've made fringes lantern like this? You've made this before or no? Yes, Ethan, it's looking very, very beautiful. Ishti's thing made before. Wow, that's nice. How about you, Supriya, KS? How's it going with you? Or did you join late? Okay, so tomorrow is going to be greeting card making class. So I'll see you all tomorrow at same time, 5 o'clock. So till then, after you complete your work, share your work with me. I've shared my WhatsApp number in the chat box. If you don't have my WhatsApp number, you can note it down and you can share your work with me. So Khushi, Ishti, work slowly, work carefully. After completion, you share your work. Not to worry, even if still cutting, because you're doing wonderful work, neat work. That's the reason it is taking time. All right, so I'll see you all tomorrow at same time.